Hey there, grammar buddies. Today's lesson is all about counting words and not counting words. We are going to figure out which things we can count and which ones we can't. Let's jump into the fun of nouns. Get ready for some new learning and lots of fun too. Are you excited? Let's dive in and have fun together. Take a look at these pictures of things on the screen. Can we count these things? Let's figure out together which ones we can count and which ones we can't. Now, look at these things we can count. Trees, books, bananas, and erasers. They are the ones we can count one by one. Now, let's check out some things that we can't count. Rain, honey, salt, rice, and juice. These are the ones that we don't count individually. They are like a big group or a whole bunch. After checking out the pictures, do you have any guesses about what we call nouns that can be counted and those that can't? Let's talk about it. Exactly, little buddies. So, countable nouns are the ones we can count, like trees and books. Uncountable nouns are the ones we can't count individually, like rain and honey. Easy peasy, right? Want to discover when to use much or many? Let's explore this together. Alright, little explorers, when we talk about things we can count, like toys or candies, we say many. For example, there are many candles in the candle stand. But when we talk about things we can't count individually, like water or milk, we say much. For instance, much milk is left in my glass. Now that we've seen some examples and got the hang of using much or many, let's have some fun. Look at the picture carefully and decide if we should use much or many. Ready for a quick and exciting exercise? Take a look at this picture of sand. Which word fits well here? Much or many sand? Let's find out if your answer is spot on. You got it right. The perfect answer is much sand because sand is something we can't count individually. Great job. Look at the second picture. Doesn't it bring back memories of fun park outings with friends? Now, what do you think fits best here? Much or many friends? Get those answers ready and let's see if you're spot on when we reveal the answer. Fantastic work. The answer is many friends because friends are something we can count. You're truly a shining star. Check out this yummy candy picture. Bet your mouths are watering. What's the right answer for this one? Much or many candies? Get those answers ready for the big reveal. Amazing job. You nailed it. The right answer is many candies because candies are something we can count. You are a rock star. Look at this picture. Dash pears. Do you think we can count pears? Well, let's find out the answer together. Fantastic job, friends. The answer is many pears because we can count those tasty fruits. You're doing awesome. Now, look at this last picture. Can we count oil? So, what's the answer for this one? Much or many? Give it a good thought. You nailed it. The right answer is much oil because we can't count it. You've got the hang of much and many perfectly. Great job. Did you know nouns that we can count have different forms for one and more than one? Let's read an example. One colored pencil, many colored pencils. See how it changes when we just have one or a bunch. Alright, friends, here's a fun fact. Things we can't count, like milk and sugar, only have one form. We can't say milks or sugars. It's always just much milk and much sugar. Got it? Exactly. Just like we can't say three waters, five monies, five sugars, or two rices. It's always just much water, much money, much sugar, and much rice. Good catch. Let's check out some phrases that help us talk about quantities. We say a glass of water, not a glass of waters. The next one is a cup of tea, not a cup of teas. Then we have a slice of bread, not slice of breads. And finally, a cube of cheese, not a cube of cheeses. Time for a quick check to see if we can spot countable and uncountable nouns in the upcoming images. Ready to give it a go? Let's do this. All right, little detectives, your mission is to find the mistakes and fix the sentences. Let's start the spotting adventure. Oh, doesn't this picture make you hungry too? It sure does for me. Now, let's read the first sentence. I like pasta with cheeses. What do you think about it? You nailed it. The right answer is I like pasta with cheese. We don't add an S to make it plural because cheese is something we can't count individually. Great job. Let's read another sentence. Nidhi bought milks from the supermarket. Does something seem off to you in this sentence? Let's figure it out together. You got it right. The answer is Nidhi bought milk from the supermarket. We don't add an S to milk because it's something we can't count individually. Awesome job. Let's read another sentence. My father made lemon juices. Does it sound a bit off to you? Let's find the mistake together. Absolutely. The correct answer is my father made lemon juice and not juices. Lemon juice is something we can't count. Great observation. Let's continue reading the next one. Did you buy rices? Does something sound different to you? Let's figure it out together. Spot on. The perfect answer is did you buy rice? Because rice is not a countable noun. Great job. Let's check out the last sentence. I can't find sugars in the kitchen. Put on your thinking caps and let's figure it out. You did it perfectly. The right answer is I can't find sugar in the kitchen. Keep up the fantastic work. I'm amazed at how awesome you are at getting all the answers right. I'm so proud of you. Keep on learning and make that knowledge your superpower. Thanks for being so focused in class. It was a fantastic time learning together. Don't forget to share what you've learned and have lots of fun. Until next time, take care and bye.